Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MLT Concepts Made Easy. In this video, we will learn about blood collection tubes and their uses. First one is plain tube. There are no additives added into these tubes. Plain tubes are red top tubes. Uses of plain tubes are for serum preparation, for biochemistry tests, for serology, and for blood bank. Second one is EDTA tube. In these tubes present ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid as an additive. These tubes are purple top tubes. Uses of EDTA tubes are for complete blood count, for peripheral blood smear, for hematocrit, and for HbA1c. Third one is citrate tube. In these tubes present sodium citrate as an additive. Uses of citrate tube is for coagulation test. Important notes: blood to anticoagulant ratio is 9:1. Tube must be filled completely. Under or overfilling affects results. Fourth one is clot activator tube. These tubes are used for routine chemistry and hormone tests. Fifth one is heparin tube. In these tubes present heparin as an additive. Uses of heparin tubes are for plasma chemistry and for electrolytes. Last one is sodium fluoride tube. In these tubes present sodium fluoride and potassium oxalate as additives. Uses of sodium fluoride tubes are for glucose test and for lactate test. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.